Now I connect it to the first local oscillation output. As you can see, it start from the 0, and I start rotate toward the higher. Then you will see the first local oscillator will output from 2.0 giga to 3. Move to the right. So if I go to the very end, I go to 5, and go up to 600 and almost 700. You will see it is almost 2.7 giga. When I move to the 700 megahertz, then I keep moving toward so it's if I keep moving forward, it will going out of my way, out of my range. If I push to 4, and you will see it moves from left to right and out of range. So the output of the first local oscillator should be okay.